Best camping toilets. In recent years, the growing demand for portable and convenient camping solutions has led to a surge in high-quality camping toilets. Whether you're on a long road trip, camping in the wilderness, or living off-grid, a reliable portable toilet adds comfort and hygiene to your adventure. This guide evaluates the best camping toilets based on design. Product number 1. Drive Medical 11148-1 Folding Steel Bedside Commode Chair. The Drive Medical Folding Bedside Commode Chair is a sturdy and versatile option designed for both indoor and outdoor use. With a robust steel frame that supports up to 350 pounds, it ensures stability and safety for users of all ages. Its folding design allows for compact storage and easy transport, making it perfect for camping or travel. The removable bucket and splash guard simplify cleaning, while the adjustable legs accommodate various heights. Although it's not as sleek as some camping-specific models, its durability and practicality make it an excellent choice for those seeking reliability and comfort. This commode chair is a special. Product number 2. Ski Portable Camping Toilet for Adults. The Ski Portable Camping Toilet offers a lightweight and foldable design that's perfect for travelers and outdoor enthusiasts. Made from durable, high-density plastic, this compact toilet folds flat for easy storage in cars, RVs, or tents. It includes a lid and paper holder for added convenience, giving you a true mini bathroom experience anywhere you go. The detachable waste container is easy to empty and clean, ensuring hygiene and odor control during use. Weighing only a few pounds, it's easy to carry, yet surprisingly sturdy for adults. Its thoughtful design caters to campers, truck drivers, or even festival goers who need a quick and clean portable toilet solution.
Product number 3. Camco 5.3-gallon portable toilet. The Camco 5.3-gallon portable toilet is a favorite among campers and RV owners for its durability and smart design. It features a large 5.3-gallon holding tank and a 2.5-gallon flush tank, allowing multiple uses before needing to empty. The bellow-type flush mechanism provides efficient waste removal, while the ceiling slide valve locks in odors and prevents leaks. Made from sturdy polyethylene, it's both lightweight and long-lasting. The detachable holding tank simplifies cleaning, and its compact shape makes it easy to fit in most car trunks or camp setups. Ideal for longer camping trips or group travel, this Camco model strikes the perfect balance between portability, hygiene, and ease of use.
Product number 4. Serene Life 5.2-gallon portable toilet. The Serene Life 5.2-gallon portable toilet is a sleek and leak-proof model built for comfort and convenience. It features a 5.2-gallon waste tank and a 3.2-gallon clean water tank, providing around 50 flushes per fill. Its double-sealed drain valve prevents odors and leaks, making it perfect for tents, RVs, or boats. The piston pump flush delivers superior cleaning power, while the level indicator shows when it's time to empty. Constructed from high-density polyethylene, it's lightweight yet sturdy enough for extended trips. With its easy-to-detach tanks and ergonomic handle, the Serene Life toilet is a top choice for campers seeking a balance of modern design, capacity, and functionality. Product number 5. The Thetford Porta-Potty 365 Portable Toilet. The Thetford Porta-Potty 365 is one of the most premium portable toilets available, trusted by RV users and outdoor adventurers alike. It combines a sleek, modern design with outstanding usability. The 4-gallon flush tank and 5.5-gallon waste tank offer excellent capacity, reducing the need for frequent emptying. Its integrated piston pump provides an efficient flush, while the sealed valve locks in odors completely. The ergonomic handle and detachable tanks make it simple to transport and clean. What truly sets the porta-potty apart is its home-like comfort. It feels more like a compact bathroom fixture than a camping toilet. Ideal for long road